Hello, welcome. My name is Yvonne and I'm behind the blog called sustainabilityqueen.com. Today I'm going to show you how to make toothpaste. And you're wondering, why would I have to make my own toothpaste if I can buy it in the supermarket? So I've been on a zero waste journey since about 2013, so quite a few years, and toothpaste is one of the products that is really hard to find when you're looking for something that is not packed in plastic. So all toothpaste usually in those plastic tubs. There's not that many alternatives apart from tooth powder, which is usually really expensive if you buy it in a glass jar. So I've started looking around and actually decided to make my own toothpaste. One thing up front, making your own toothpaste is not, don't expect the same thing from a shop bought one. And that is mostly because one of the ingredients is baking soda. And baking soda, if you've ever tried it, it's very salty. So your toothpaste ends up being quite salty. But on the other hand side, it's just a matter of getting used to it, right? We're so used to shop bought toothpaste, so why not try something new? And it ends up being so much cheaper than buying shop bought one, and you actually know what's in it. So you don't have all those chemicals, nothing in it. It's just bicarb soda in its simplest form, water at equal parts, filtered water ideally, and then you add some peppermint oil. Again, as much or as little as you want. Peppermint essential oil is quite strong, so you probably want to be careful the first couple of times. There's a lot of different variations, so what you can add as well, because bicarb soda is very abrasive, so I'm not a dentist, but I don't have issues with my teeth. But if you have very sensitive teeth, this might not be a good option for you. So best to check with your dentist in case you're unsure. But bicarb soda, so bentonite clay is a good option as well. I get this one, I got it from biome.com, an Australian online store that is selling zero waste products and kind of beauty DIY ingredients. The bicarb soda I get from a local food co-op, the Manly Food Co-op. What you can add as well is stevia if you want a bit of sweetness in there, and stevia is okay for your teeth, so it's a natural sweetener. But again, it's very sweet, so be careful, only add a few little bits of it. I personally don't really like stevia, so I usually make my own toothpaste without. So let's get started. It's very easy. In its basic form, go for 1 part baking soda, and in this case I add 1 part of bentonite clay because I like it, and it's a nice addition to it. And then you add 2 parts of water, a little bit more, and then a couple of drops of peppermint oil. It's nice, it's quite strong though. 2, 3, 4, 5. And then all you do is mix it until it forms a nice paste. So you'll see it, because of the bentonite clay, it's not your typical white toothpaste, yeah? So it turns brown, but it doesn't really matter. It's just a pure visual and aesthetic thing, so don't worry about that. So this is rather liquid, really up to you. It still works, so you can just dip your toothpaste in there and then brush your teeth. Or if you want it less liquid, you just add some more of the powders. You can also leave off the water completely and just use it as a tooth powder. Again, what you do is you just slightly wet your toothbrush and then dip it into the powder and go about brushing your teeth as you usually would. This toothpaste won't foam, just don't expect it to, but it still will clean your teeth quite nicely. So yeah, so you saw how easy it is. It's easy, it's quick, and it's really cheap. So what are you waiting for? Why are you not trying it yourself? Thank you so much.